In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and sign into your AgFiniti account, add an AgFiniti Essentials license, connect your Ag Leader displays to AgFiniti, and highlight the tools and features that you gain with an AgFiniti Essentials license. All AgFiniti users must have their own account. For SMS software users, your AgFiniti credentials are the same ones you used to register your software. All others will visit agfiniti.com and click Create Account. When building a new account, you will need to enter all required information, such as name, address, and create a username. The email address that you enter must be unique and not already linked to an existing AgFiniti account. When creating your account, you will also select your servicing dealer. Choose a servicing dealer in a 100, 300, or 600-mile radius from your location. This enables your dealer to better assist you by establishing a primary contact for sales and support. No files or data are shared with a servicing dealer unless you choose to share them. If you have already created an account but don't remember your username or password, just click on the Forgot Password link, and you'll receive an email with a link to reset. After submitting your registration information, you will receive an email to access your account for the first time. The first time you log in, you will need to confirm your selected username, create a password, and accept the terms of use. Once logged in, there are several tools available in your free AgFiniti account. If you have an in-command display, you can transfer up to 5 gigabytes of Ag data or Ag setup files from your displays to your AgFiniti account, eliminating the need to transfer data by using a USB drive. To connect your Ag Leader in-command display to AgFiniti, you first need to be connected to a wireless internet source and complete the instructions in the initial email. Then, on the home screen, tap Setup, and then tap Console Setup. Tap the AgFiniti tab, and then tap Login. Enter your login information, and tap the green check. When you connect your display to an AgFiniti account, you also enable the ability for automatic firmware updates. This will ensure that you are on the most current version of display firmware. Satellite imagery will also become available as an additional reference layer on the run screen. If you'd like to use AgFiniti to process, view, and analyze your data, you will need an AgFiniti Essentials license. To activate a free trial or purchase an AgFiniti Essentials license, go to the User menu and select Licenses. On the left, you can click Start Free Essentials Trial to begin your free trial. The free Essentials trial will provide you full access to the tools and features within AgFiniti. After the trial, you can purchase a license by selecting Buy. Then, next to AgFiniti Essentials, select Add License, and then select Checkout at the bottom. In the Checkout summary, be sure to select your servicing dealer if you haven't already, and then enter your payment information. To complete, select Buy Now, and AgFiniti Essentials will be automatically applied to your account. With an Essentials license applied to your account, you can sync your data across multiple devices and applications, including the AgFiniti app and the AgFiniti mobile app for iPad. Essentials users can also create variable rate legend-based prescriptions for no additional cost. These features keep you informed and connected on your operations anywhere at any time. To learn more about these features and how to use them in your operation, view the Ag Leader knowledge base. The Essentials license also adds features to your Ag Leader displays when you connect them to your AgFiniti account, including DisplayCast, viewing live maps and stats, remote support, and more. You can now create and sign into your AgFiniti account, add an AgFiniti Essentials license, connect your Ag Leader displays to AgFiniti, and have discovered the tools and features gained with an Essentials license. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.